Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about aldol condensation reaction. It is an important reaction of aldehydes and ketone, aldol condensation reaction. In aldol condensation reaction, aldehydes are ketone. In aldol condensation reaction, aldehydes are ketone containing containing alpha hydrogen containing alpha hydrogen undergoes self condensation self condensation reaction undergoes self condensation reaction in presence of in presence of alkali alkali means in presence of base to form to form to form beta hydroxy to form beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy beta hydroxy ketone. This reaction is called this reaction is called this reaction is called aldol reaction. This reaction is called aldol reaction. Okay. Aldol condensation reaction means aldehyde or ketone which contain alpha hydrogen undergoes self condensation in presence of base to give beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. This reaction is called aldol condensation. Okay, let's see the reaction. CS3 C double bond O H. This is our aldehyde. When aldehyde is reacted with NaOH base, it gives CS3 CHOH CH2 CHO. This is called beta hydroxy aldehyde. And which on heating, this is our aldol product beta hydroxy. This is called beta hydroxy aldol or aldehyde, because this is our first aldehydic carbonyl carbon. Its next carbon is alpha carbon and its next carbon is beta carbon. To beta position the OH group is attached, hence it is called beta hydroxy aldehyde, and it is called aldol because of in aldol it contains both aldehydic functional group as well as the alcoholic functional group, hence it is called aldol. Okay, and when this beta hydroxyaldehyde is heated to higher temperature, from here when water molecule is eliminated, it gives alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde like this: cs3 ch double bond ch cho. This is called alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Okay, this is called but 2 in 2 in 1 all. This is the alpha beta unsaturated product. Okay, this reaction is called aldol condensation reaction. If we see the mechanism of aldol condensation, in mechanism it involves in 3 steps. In step 1, the base molecule abstract the proton from alpha position. This is our aldehyde. Let's see the aldehyde: cs3 c double bond o h. This is our aldehyde. It is reacted with the base. This is our base. In first step, it abstract this is our alpha carbon, and here attached hydrogens are called alpha hydrogen. This base abstract this proton, which is acidic in nature, because of at the alpha hydrogens are the more acidic. Hence the base abstract the proton from alpha position. At that time, these bonding electrons are shifted to the carbon to form carbon anion. It form C double bond O H. This becomes CS2 minus. This is carbon anion plus water molecule is eliminated. This is the step 1. In step 2, the nucleophilic attack. Here, this carbon anion attack on the another molecule of aldehyde. Here we are going to take two molecules of aldehyde are condensed to give the aldol. Here one aldehyde react with the base to form carbon anion, and this carbon anion attack to the carbonyl carbon. Let's see here. This is our another molecule of aldehyde, and this is our carbon anion which is generated in the first step. Okay, this negatively charged carbon anion attack to the carbonyl carbon of the another molecule of aldehyde. At that time, this pi bond is shifted to the oxygen, which gives CS3 C O minus. This is H, CS2 C double bond O H. Okay, this is the second step. Next, here in third step, step 3, this negatively charged oxygen abstract the proton from the water. Let's see, CS3 C O minus H, CS2 C double bond O H, plus here one water molecule is there. This negatively charged oxygen abstract the proton, which form CS3 C O H. This is as it is H, CS2 C double bond O H. This is called beta hydroxy aldehyde. This is carbonyl carbon. Next carbon is alpha carbon, and this is beta carbon. And to the beta carbon, the OH group is attached. Hence, it is called beta hydroxy aldehyde. Okay, this is called beta hydroxy aldehyde. Beta hydroxy aldehyde. This is our aldol product, and this reaction also possible in ketone. Instead of taking aldehyde, if we take ketone which is containing alpha hydrogen, when it is condensed with the when it is reacted with the NaOH, it is converted into beta hydroxy ketone, and which on heating gives same product, alpha beta unsaturated product. This is called aldol condensation, and this beta hydroxy aldehyde, when heating further in fourth step, step number 4, when beta hydroxy aldehyde like this is CS3 COH H, CH H means CS2 C double bond O H. This is our beta hydroxy ket aldehyde. When this is heated to higher temperature, at that time it eliminate one water molecule. From here, this proton goes along with this OH as a water molecule. At that time, these bonds are shifted to here, and this is goes out. At that time, this carbon-carbon single bond become double bond to give CS3 C H double bond CH C double bond O H. This is our alpha beta unsaturated product. This is called alpha beta unsaturated product. unsaturated product, which is we have already seen in the reaction, okay. This is called aldol condensation, okay.